I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to see the last 180 days of your TikTok comment history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, and then tap the profile icon in the menu on this screen. Step 2. Tap the menu icon on the next screen. Step 3. Navigate to the Personal Tools section and then select Activity Center. Step 4. Tap Comment History. You'll see the last 180 days of your TikTok comment history. And if you find a comment you want to delete, all you need to do is tap that comment, hold your finger against the comment on the next screen to open a menu, and then tap Delete. That comment will be removed from TikTok immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.